Introduction. Avani is very happy today. Her pet, Iris, has given birth to 4 little puppies. The puppies are very soft. They look and feel like cotton balls. Avani is eagerly waiting for the puppies to grow up so that she can play with them. In this lesson, you will learn about living things and their characteristics. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to name the characteristics of living things, define breathing, define sensitivity, define growth, define reproduction. Living and non-living things. Living things display the following characteristics. They breathe, they grow, they move, they reproduce, they sense and feel changes in their environment, they eat and remove wastes from their body. Non-living things do not display any of these characteristics. Food for life. All living things need food. Food gives them energy to grow, move, and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food. Breathing. Living things breathe, whereas non-living things do not. Breathing is the process in which living things take in oxygen and push out carbon dioxide. Sensitivity. All living things can sense and feel the changes around them. This ability to sense and feel the changes in the environment is called sensitivity. The leaves of the touch-me-not plant are sensitive to touch. When touched, they shrink. Non-living things are not sensitive. Growth. All living things grow. Growth means an increase in weight and the size of the body. Non-living things do not show any growth. Movement. All living things move. For example, birds fly, fish swim, all land animals run. However, non-living things cannot move on their own. Reproduction. All living things produce young ones like them. For example, cows produce calves, dogs produce puppies, cats produce kittens. The process of producing young ones is called reproduction. Non-living things do not reproduce. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Living things grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. Non-living things do not breathe, grow, move, or reproduce. Sensitivity is the ability to feel changes. Living things are sensitive. Growth is increase in weight and size. Reproduction is the process by which living things produce young ones like them.